Okay, as this lesson we're going to add some sound. So I'm going to put a sound file up and you are going to import it and bring it into your game. So that would be assets, import package, custom package, or if it's just one asset, you can get that too. And the asset I'm going to put up is game development, game dev. So you would download it from the Google Classroom, and if you have to uncompress it, do. If you don't, then you won't have to. And then you're going to again go into Assets, Import Package, and bring it in, and this will be it. Now it's got a bunch of other stuff too. It's also got some models that I brought inside my game. So some characters you can bring in to the game if you want to, and objects. Some of these I brought into my game. And then, of course, the sounds. So, sound FX, etc. So once you find the sound you want, I think I used the music for mine. You're going to go to your player. Let me close this, clean this up some. And these should probably, I'll have to look at those. Yeah, these are my obstacles. I'll have to talk about that in my next lesson. But I created some objects and then used the new mesh obstacle as a from the mesh thing on these objects, and then my player can't go through them. So yeah, let's do that in both lessons. So you're just going to create some whatever figures you want, put them inside your game, and then go down and into nav, if I can spell it right, nav mesh obstacle, and put it on all of them. And you can put the move threshold and etc. You can fool around with this. I haven't fooled around with it too much, but that way your enemy can't go through these. So let's do that. Create some objects just with your game object, 3D object, whatever object you want. Or you can bring some objects in from this game developer and then put the nav mesh object on those too. But as far as the sound, you're going to go down here and just add audio source. So audio source right there. And then you're going to just drag one of your sounds in there. I did music background, and then make sure you play on awake and loop it. But you can fool around with some of this. I'd encourage you to fool around with the volume and everything. And when your game starts, so you notice my enemy can't come over towards these sources here. It did get through. Anyway, so two-part lesson. Put some, create some objects. Go get the dynamic. I call mine dynamic box, whatever you want to call them when you create, and put the nav mesh obstacle on them, and then get the sound, the game dev from the Google Classroom, and bring it into your assets. And then once you have it, just find the sounds and music, and add an audio source to your player and drag it in right up there, and then also loop it and stuff. I encourage you to fool around with it some. Make sure you save a scene.